Hello, let me show you how you can try to fix this issue when you are connected with your Sony WF-C710N, but one of your earbud it's not working, so basically you cannot hear any sound. So first of all, just start by inputting both earbuds inside the charging case and open this cover. Now you have to rotate your device and you will have to click and hold this button that is located on the back. So let me just do this. And now you will have to just take a look on this indicator. First of all, it will start blinking blue, but you have to still keep holding all the time. Then it will disappear and it will quickly turn into the orange. And we have to still hold. There we go. Keep holding. And now when the indicator disappears completely, you have to release this button. And now you have to put both earbuds, you have to close the case, then charge them for around 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, in this time, you can just go into the settings on your phone and be sure that you successfully disconnect them and unpair from your device. Next, all you have to do is just to unplug the cable after that time, open the charging case, click and hold this button again, and just wait for this blue light that will start blinking. Click and hold it. Now we can release and go to pair new device and simply connect them again. And now you can let me know if it works. If it is still not working, then I can highly recommend you to use a warranty of this device because there's like no any other way to fix this.